Namaskar. Welcome to my class Super KVNs powered by Super Teachers. Today we are going to cover the fifth unit of class 3rd English, that is the yellow butterfly. This is the story of a butterfly and a child, Sonu, who is trying to catch the butterfly. What happened at the end of the story? Let's begin the lesson. The yellow butterfly. A yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. There was a yellow butterfly who was flying in Sonu's garden. Sonu saw the butterfly, he ran to catch it. When Sonu saw the yellow butterfly, he was happy and he ran to catch it. He ran to catch the butterfly. But the butterfly flew to the rose bed. It sat on a red rose. When Sonu tried to catch the butterfly, it flew and it sat on a red rose. When the butterfly sat on a red rose, what Sonu thought? Now I can catch it, said Sonu. He walked slowly, silently to catch the butterfly. He came closer, closer, and still closer. But then, when Sonu saw the butterfly in the red rose, sitting on the red rose, what Sonu did? Sonu walked slowly and silently to catch it. But when it came closer, closer, and more closer, what happened then? Up flew the butterfly. But the butterfly flew from the red rose. Where did the butterfly go? Then Sonu thought, where did it go? Near the garden there was a pond. In the pond there was a white lotus. Near the garden there was a small pond, and in the pond there was a white lotus. Around it grew round leaves. They floated in the water. You might have seen the lotus flower. It is surrounded by the round leaves of lotus. The butterfly sailed on a floating leaf. The butterfly was sailing on a floating leaf. Sonu went, splashed into the water. And what happened then? Ah, flew the butterfly. When Sonu tried to catch the butterfly, again the butterfly flew into the different part. Where was it? You can see here when Sonu tried to enter into the pond, the butterfly was sailing on the round leaves of lotus, but it flew. Where was it? Sonu looked up, he looked down. Near the wall, there was a peach tree. From the round leaves of lotus, the butterfly flew. Sonu searched it everywhere. Finally, there was a peach tree near the wall of the garden, and the peach tree had pink flowers. The butterfly sat on a pretty flower. The butterfly sat on the pretty pink flower of the peach tree. I can catch you, shouted Sonu. I can catch you, Sonu shouted. He climbed up the tree. Up he climbed, but back it flew down from the tree. When Sonu saw the butterfly on the peach tree, he tried to climb the peach tree, but back it flew down from the tree. But the butterfly once again it flew from the tree. Sonu jumped down too. He chased the butterfly. Sonu also jumped from the tree and he started chasing the butterfly. He started following the butterfly from the rose to the lotus and up the peach tree, but he could not catch the butterfly. Sonu could not catch the butterfly from the rose to the lotus and up the peach tree. What happened then? Let's see. Sonu could not see it at all. He looked everywhere. At last, he saw the butterfly. When Sonu jumped from the peach tree, he searched everywhere for the butterfly, but it could not be found. Finally, there was a big spider's web in the peach tree. You can see here in this image, there was a spider's web. The butterfly was caught in the spider's web. You can see here, the butterfly is caught in the spider's web. It looked sad as it tried to escape. It fluttered its wing. The butterfly was trying to escape from the net, but it was not able to do so. It fluttered its wings. It moved its wing. It twisted and turned. It twisted and turned. It changed its position, but still the butterfly was not able to escape from the spider's web as it was very tight. Poor butterfly. In the middle of the web, there was a big spider. It looked hungry. You can see here, there is a big spider at the middle of the web and it is looking very hungry. It wanted to catch the butterfly. Then the spider start moving to the butterfly to eat the butterfly. Closer and closer crawled the black spider. The black spider crawled closer to the butterfly. But what happened then? Before the hungry spider could grab it, Sonu ran and he caught the butterfly. Before the hungry spider could eat the butterfly, Sonu ran and he caught the butterfly. Finally, Sonu was able to catch the butterfly. It was so pretty. It had brown spots on its yellow wings. Sonu loved the little butterfly, but it looked sad in Sonu's hand. It was looking so beautiful. The butterfly was looking so beautiful. But it looked sad in Sonu's hand, but the butterfly was not happy. Sonu wanted it to be happy, but Sonu wanted the butterfly to be happy. What happened then? Go, said Sonu, fly away. Finally, Sonu let the butterfly go and said, fly away. Whenever you want, you can go. Wherever you want, you can go. It sat on the red rose. When Sonu let the butterfly go, it sat on the red rose. It flew to the peach tree, then sailed on a lotus leaf, and it flew merrily from the flower to flower. The butterfly was so happy. It flew happily from one flower to another flower. Sonu watched it fly and fly. The butterfly flew all around Sonu's garden, happy and free once again. So, dear students, the butterfly was so happy finally, and it was once again happy and free at the end of this story. And this story is written by Nilima Sinha. So thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will discuss about the question answer of this chapter, the yellow butterfly. So in case you have any query, feel free to write me at akf.kvs@gmail.com. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching.